Hey, man! Boss, kamusta?
Boss!
Nice to meet you. Saan tayo, pre?
Sa Live, bro.
Saan yan?
It's the newest project in Katipunan.
Tara! Hey, waka waka, hey, hey! Sabi namin na sabi na. So, pakuan? I was planning to buy more. Pero ang mahal niya, 150 isa! I'm down 8K for my vlogs. Sabi namin na, hey, waka waka, hey, hey! Sabi namin na sabi na. In Summer Africa. Hello, ma'am. Gusto niyo po ng watermelon? Ay, sorry po. Ate, gusto niyo po watermelon? Libre lang ho.
Is this how you pick up chicks?
Yeah, that's right. Don't have one. Nakapag-GE dance ka na?
Yeah.
Ito yung kanta nun. Hey! 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 Oh! 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 Hello, kuya! Nice to meet you!
Ano yung most memorable mo na video so far?
Yung last year ko na Frosh Walk, doon talaga nagsimula lahat. The watermelon shit. That's the first video that went viral.
What's the weirdest thing you've given out so far?
Di pa nga napapabigay na condom though, so... Hindi na makalaya!
Saan mo ba nakuha yung content creation style mo? Like all the shouting?
You know the YouTuber style na palaging pasigaw?
Napagod ka ba sa kasigaw mo?
Pag antok ako, usually hina-hype ko yung energy ko to compensate. Pag nakatulog ako ng matagal, edi hyper ako. Kubaw! 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 Kasya ba? Kasya pa! Kubaw! Kubaw! Justin Bieber?
Yeah. I'm a big Bieber fan.
Gulang ka ako, buhay pa siya eh.
What's your course again?
Civec.
Why?
I'll be a civil engineer influencer. Sa
Jeez.
DPWH. Sabi ko pag papasok ako DPWH, konting kupit lang. I just need one house, one car, and I'll do the project 100% clean onwards. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, may screen yung kotse niya. What the fudge?
Are you having a hard time with the course?
Yung course siguro madali lang. Ang tanong lang is, would you be corrupt after you graduated? Baby! 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 Baby!
What does a civil engineer do?
So most people when they talk about engineers, usually yung building lang sa taas.
Yeah.
Pero we also do the foundation. We can also manage traffic. And also flood control sana. Puntahan natin yung flood control projects.
Sa Bulacan.
Isa-isa, oo. Kasi wala akong mapupuntahan eh. Kasi wala eh. You know, gotta be glowing. Gotta be golden.
Ano ba starting salary pag engineer?
20K?
What? Are you sure?
Alam ko mababa pre.
Oh my god.
That's why people are corrupt. Pero okay lang yun, may kickback naman ako. All I need is the air I breathe.
May org ka?
Civil Engineering Society. So ako yung representative na kumanta. As you can see, nadidig mo na kanina, maganda yung singing voice ko, no?
Yes.
Sa QC, sa UP, sa kalsada ng BGC.
Where'd you go to school?
Sa Qatar nung junior high school.
Are there chicks out there?
Same shit.
So no shit.
No shit.
What's the best thing about it? You...
Kasamnida!
There's no way, bro. Don't go down, you fuck.
Hindi naman. Imagine kung biglang bumaba.
Oh, I'd be pissed. Bro, I'm gonna just get my water here.
Buti ka may water. Wala akong water.
No, we can share, bro.
Next kanta mo pre, ikaw naman.
Ikaw. Yeah, that's my song. Actually,
mga kanta mo,
mga Chinese eh, mga Chinese.
Mga Chinese. Hindi kasi ako Chinese. Hindi ako Ching-chong eh.
Uy.
Arigato gozaimasu!
That's Japanese, bro.
Ting-ngining-ngining-ngining.
That's Indian.
Okay lang, I have friends naman na I have the past.
Kailangan ba ng complex ideas para mag-viral?
Just try different formats. So, halimbawa, isang video ko, nandun si Nathan Portes. Isang video ko, wala si Nathan Portes. The one na merong Nathan Portes got 2.2 times more views.
In conclusion, you need Nathan Portes in
Hindi! Facts. No matter what you do,
no matter what I do, all I think about is you.
Minsan ayokong panoodin si Nathan kasi unintentionally nagagaya ako mannerisms niya.
Yeah.
Graduate na naman siya, so it's okay.
Graduate ka na rin eh.
No, papatagalin ko sarili ko here.
Seryoso?
No, ma-masters ako dyan.
Hey! Are you straight, bro?
80% straight, yeah.
Have you dabbled?
I haven't, yeah. Pero I'll probably experiment like pag may trabaho na.
Would you like to?
Guys, palabasin niya ako!
You know I walked 1,000 miles so I can just say you
Tonight! Yo bro, gusto mo ng watermelon? Libre lang. Sir, gusto nyo libre yung pakwan? No? Okay. Yung mag-accept kaya. Sir, gusto niyo po ng watermelon? Hirap ibenta yung watermelon ko for free ah. Sir, libreng pakwan, gusto niyo po?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Free watermelon.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
For what?
TikTok video.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Yes!
No way.
Clap!
Hooray! One message for aspiring creators.
Just try different formats. Yun lang talaga. Just be yourself. Do it for fun. Kasi nakakapagod talaga pag you gonna strive for it, tas biglang di-disappoint ka agad.
How many times have you had your account banned?
None, sa'yo.
Like 4?
None sa akin.
Well, it's about time.
Kamahal kong estrangero.
You cool, bro?
Yeah.
Chill.
Use the promo code CRUISERS for 10% off at a condominium. Walang ganun?
Walang ganun.
Oh shit.
Galing mo pala mag-acting na maging actor ka na lang kaysa politician.
Galing mo
Actually, yung mga
mag-buwan ako eh.
actor nagiging politician. So
No! Actually,